Imagine waking up one day and feeling different. Stronger, faster, sharper. Not because you trained harder or slept better, but because someone rewrote you, tweaked your code, upgraded your biology like software. Yeah, it sounds wild. But the real question is, are we actually on the edge of becoming genetically enhanced humans? For the first time in history, we're not just studying evolution, we're negotiating with it. Tools like CRISPR have kicked down the door of the genetic world, letting us edit the very sentences that make us who we are. And that raises a massive, spine-tingling question. Can we use genetic modification to become stronger, faster, more resilient humans? Or is this just another sci-fi fever dream? What's actually possible right now? Let's keep it real. Today's gene editing tech can fix certain diseases, silence faulty genes, and even tweak physical traits in lab animals. Scientists have already created mice with insane muscle growth by knocking out a gene called myostatin. They bulked up without lifting so much as a crumb. And humans? There are documented cases of people with rare gene mutations who naturally have super dense bones, ultra-fast muscle recovery, or stronger immune responses. Meaning, the blueprint for enhanced humans already exists, nature just hasn't shared it evenly. Could we edit ourselves to be stronger? In theory? Absolutely. We know the genes tied to muscle growth, endurance, oxygen efficiency, pain tolerance, even aging. In practice? It's messy. Editing genes in adults is like trying to rewrite a book that's already printed. Editing embryos is easier, but way more controversial ethically, legally, and socially. But if we ignore the politics for a second on a pure science level, we're closer than most people think. Not decades away. Years. The catch. Here's the part nobody likes. Biology doesn't give free upgrades. Stronger muscles might mean shorter lifespan. Faster healing could mean higher cancer risk. A boosted immune system might accidentally attack your own body. Every enhancement has a shadow because genes are a web, not a menu. Pull one thread and 10 others move with it. The real superpower. Maybe the real strength isn't in turning ourselves into Marvel characters, but in understanding what makes us human in the first place. Technology can amplify us, but it can also distort us. The question isn't, can we become stronger? It's, what will it cost if we do? So yeah, genetic enhancement isn't a fantasy. The tools exist. The breakthroughs are happening. We're standing at the doorway of the biggest upgrade in human history. But before we rush in, we need to ask, are we improving ourselves or rewriting humanity into something unrecognizable? The future is coming fast and the edit button is already glowing.